Happy July! It is such a fantastic month because we're celebrating the 4th of July and also the fact that summer is in full swing. I can't wait to get outside and go on picnics, go to the beach, go on some hikes, and one of my favorite foods during summertime are citrus fruits because they are so refreshing. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a really tasty salmon sandwich with a coconut lemon slaw. This recipe is absolutely perfect for summer. But what I also love about this burger is that it's very nourishing, packed with protein and fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants. It's so good and it's so good for you too. You will need 2 salmon fillets, a baguette, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, canned coconut milk, and shredded coleslaw cabbage mix. Season the salmon with a pinch of sea salt and pepper. Then bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, add the cabbage mix into a large bowl with the coconut milk and lemon juice, stir and set aside. Once the salmon is finished, use a spatula to separate the fillet from the skin. Slice the baguette and spread Dijon mustard on the bottom, add the salmon and top with coconut slaw, and enjoy. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe right here to the Limoneira YouTube channel so you never miss a video, and you can also stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. I hope you have a fantastic 4th of July, happy summer, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!